Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 245, maximum number of removable characters. So this one is very tricky. I actually did it. I actually made some premature optimizations. So yeah, so which you don't need, but I'm gonna go over it. But so be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. After every contest, almost immediately, we talk about problems. And so if you're looking for a group to solve contests together, we have a good Discord channel here. I'm becoming a fan and I'm promoting it more because I just it's always cool to kind of chat with people who like these pursuits as much as I do. But anyway, so with this one, the key thing to note is that you want a prefix of this removable to be used, right? So that means that there's an innate binary searchable thing, because if you think about this, okay, let's say a longer array, that means that if the first three characters or the first three numbers in the index is good, that means that that means that two characters is good, one character is good, and so forth. If it is impossible to take, say, the number 5, then everything after that is no good, right? No bueno. So that's basically the idea, so that you have some true, and then false, right? So that's basically the idea behind this binary search. And the way that I always think about it, and I'm going to skip the good function for now, is that I always set my bounds to be inclusive, and I know that we can go from 0 to m inclusive, where m is the number of removable characters in the forbidden characters or whatever. So if these two things are equal, that means that because there's an inclusive range, your inclusive range will contain only one element. So here we do the mid, and then here people always ask, like, how do you remember these? And I don't remember these. I just ask myself one question every time. And if you watch the video of me solving this live, you kind of see me kind of thinking through it. And the question is that, okay, so this is what we have, right? We have something that's true, and then we have false. So then now there are only two scenarios, which is that if this is true, what happens? Well, if this is true, we want to take this number and we want to get the biggest, right? The biggest true. So then that means that this is good because this is still possible, and everything after that is still possible. So we throw away everything to the left, which is how we set the left as equal to mid, which is the current where the cursor is at, and everything to the left of it is gone. Then the other scenario is, okay, what happens if you're in a false? Well, if you're in false, then everything to the right of this is no good, and also whatever you're pointing at is no good because we're looking for a true value. So that's why I set the right to mid -1, because mid and or everything bigger than mid is no longer true. So we're only looking at mid -1. So that's basically the idea of this good function. And what is a good function? The good function is, of course, answering whether P is a subsequence of S. And P is a subsequence of S. You can actually just go through a two pointers algorithm by going through the index one by one. I actually did something unnecessary, and it added a couple of minutes to my contest time, in that I hashed the character and the indexes, and then I do a binary search on it. This is actually unnecessary, but basically what I would recommend during a contest is just doing a linear search, or not linear search, but basically two pointers, right? One on S, one on P, and then just kind of, for each character in P, keep on moving S until you find the character in P. And then you move one at a time, and of course, making sure that whatever you're doing is not in forbidden. That's basically the idea. And yeah, once you do a binary search, the answer that you get at the end is going to be good. And the answer, of course, with left is equal to right, then it doesn't matter which one you use. I usually just use left. That's basically all I have for this one. So what is the complexity? Let me make this slightly smaller so you can see the entire thing on screen. So this is binary search. This is going to be all of, given m is the size of the forbidden array, this is going to be log m. So we do log m iteration of this, and then we do one, for each of this, we have good, and this is, of course, O of n plus m, because you're going for a two-pointer on two arrays. I mean, I do some binary search, but it's not even necessary. It might even be slower, to be honest. But you have 2 pointers. and then you just go through the array. So this is roughly going to be O of n plus m. So then combine, this is going to be O of n plus m log n total time. And in terms of space, you can actually do this in constants. Well, now you actually want to put this in a set so that your lookups are easier. But after you do that, so it's going to be O of m for converting the removable list to a set. But everything else other than that is O of 1 extra space. Yeah, so that's basically it. I actually, my actual code takes a little bit more space because I do some pre-processing, but that's not necessary. So yeah, this is all that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have questions about either the two-pointer portion or the binary search portion in the comments or in Discord, and we'll chat about it. You can watch me solve it live during the contest next. After removing k characters from what? From S. That's tough. Maybe. Can't really do one at a time, can you? I mean, it's a Q2, but I'm having trouble with it. I guess it's just binary search, but it's still pretty hard. That's not right. Why? Oh, I forgot to check the for bit. Come on, come on. Don't be too slow. Okay. Hey, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like it. Join the Discord to talk about this and other problems. So I usually go over me and my channel, my Discord channel, talk about problems after the contest, like right afterwards. So come hang out and share ideas and love and learning and all that stuff. I'll see you later. Have a great week. Hope you had a good contest and stay cool. Bye bye.